Today we will finally start Sorcery for Handicapped People introductory series. This is a little bit advanced ritual for a little bit advanced handicapped practitioners who are paralyzed. This is presentation of really powerful spirit which can aid paralyzed people really well. Rites with him are tested multiple times and they work really well. The name of the spirit is Sons-Hilusnur. Hilusnur, and his sigil is provided on the screen. Also, magical chant for calling him will be provided on the screen. He is called by magical chant Sons-Hilusnur, Halilin, 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 Sons-Hilusnur, Halilin. When he arrives, he can be used for two purposes. It is either to I am a little bit stressed, so I have difficulties speaking. It is either to make somebody paralyzed or to ruin their health as a curse, or to help already paralyzed individuals to altering their energy so they can work with it more properly. His energy is cold and dark. His energy is colored in white color, but it is dense. He manifests as a pale-skinned white demon with 6 hands, big claws, and 4 legs. The legs seem distorted or broken. His face is also distorted. His eyes are yellow, and he has big horns of a male sheep. I forgot the name of the male sheep. So this is magical chant and sigil for calling this spirit Sons-Hilusnur, and this is the first spirit of this series. Thank you for your time, and also healthy people can use this entity for a really powerful alchemical transformation as well through the Sons-Hilusnur's and Lilith's energy current. But one needs the guidance of Lilith if he wants to harness this power and this energy. Thank you for your time.